Hey food lovers, today I'm going to show you how to whip up a quick and delicious coq au vin that's perfect for any occasion. This classic French dish of braised chicken and mushrooms in a rich red wine sauce sounds fancy, but trust me, it's super easy to make at home. First things first, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need 4 slices of center cut or thick cut bacon, chopped, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt divided, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 1/2 to 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1 medium onion chopped, 8 ounces of cremini mushrooms quartered, 3 medium carrots sliced, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 cup of dry red wine, and 3/4 of a cup of low-sodium chicken broth. Alright, start by cooking the bacon in a large deep pan over medium heat until it's nice and crisp. Then, remove the bacon but leave those flavorful drippings in the pan. Next, in a small bowl, combine the flour, thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and that black pepper. Dredge the chicken thighs in this mixture to coat both sides. Turn up the heat to medium-high and add the chicken to the pan with the bacon drippings. Cook it for 3-4 minutes on each side until it's beautifully golden brown. Take the chicken out and keep it warm. It'll finish cooking later. Now add enough olive oil to the pan to make a total of 1 tablespoon of drippings. Toss in the chopped onion, quartered mushrooms, sliced carrots, tomato paste, and the remaining 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Cook for 2-3 minutes, stirring regularly until those veggies start to soften. Pour in the red wine and chicken broth and bring the mixture to a boil. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. Then return the chicken thighs to the pan, turn them to coat in that delicious sauce and reduce the heat to medium-low to maintain a steady simmer. Let it cook for 8-10 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. If the sauce isn't thick enough to your liking, check the notes below the video for 2 different ways to thicken it. Finally, stir the crispy bacon back into the sauce and serve it hot. And there you have it, a sensational coq au vin that's both elegant and easy to make. If you loved this recipe, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.